Hello everyone. In this video we try to learn how to type a text without any spelling mistake in msword software. For example, we want to type some words and sentences in the software environment. First, and according to the previous videos, align text direction left to right, then adjust the direction. In this test, we intentionally type a few words incorrectly. For example, window, office, energy, server, and now some incorrect sentences. Lots of tools and features. These are books. Now, we have some words with wrong spelling and some sentences with wrong grammar. If you look carefully, there is a red line under the words that are spelled wrong. Sentences with incorrect grammar have a blue underline under the mistakes. Well, we want to learn how to make sure that the text we write does not have any mistake. First, we right-click on the words that are underlined red, and from its own dictionary, the program suggests the words that it thinks are correct, and we can find the word in question. Let's choose our own opinion. For example, first we right-click on window and select among the suggestions the correct form of window that we want. And then we right-click on office, but this time it did not offer us one more suggestion, office, and it's the only offer for us, so we select it as the right form. Next, energy, that we select energy from among the suggestions. Next, we right-click server and select server from among the suggestions. As you see, when I choose the correct form, the red underline disappears. Now, let's consider the incorrect sentences. As you see, a blue underline is drawn under the grammatical errors. If we right-click, it will suggest us to correct the sentence, and also the next sentence that suggests us to use the word is instead of are. In this way, we can correct our text in the environment of msword. But how to add our favorite words to the word dictionary? Suppose we want to type some special names and surnames on our word page. For example, we type these names and surnames. You see that a red line is drawn under Sarmast because the surname Sarmast does not exist in our word dictionary, but two other words, I mean Fateme and Alipur, was in the dictionary previously, and the red line is not drawn under them. Suppose I want to type a line text and repeat this name and surname. I don't want it to be underlined in red. For this, we add the word Sarmast to the dictionary of the word software in this way. We right-click on the word and select Add to Dictionary. The new word will be added to the dictionary and the red underline will be removed. Or for example, in other name and surname. This is how it is done. But where is the dictionary? First, select the File option and select Options, and then Proofing, and then select the Custom Dictionary option, and then select the Edit Word List. All the words that we added to the dictionary are listed here. We can delete each of them with the Delete tool. We can also delete all the words. Each word that is deleted in the dictionary no longer exists and will be distinguished by red underline when is typed. Thank you so much for your attention and thank you for your support. Bye.